Hey guys, I'm Amelia from Games, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make slime. So what you will need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a glue, some food coloring, but that's optional, and contact solution. I'm going to move these to the side because we don't need them right now. So first you're going to empty your bottle of glue out, and you can do the whole bottle or half the bottle, it doesn't really matter. Okay, put the rest out there. Okay, so now that I have glue, now I'm going to put in food coloring. I'm going to do 5 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'm just going to mix this. Okay, and I'd also recommend doing this on a plastic placemat or a surface, so then it'd be okay if it got dirty. So now I'm going to put my baking soda in. I only could find a half teaspoon, so I'm going to put 2 in to make 1 teaspoon. So 1 and 2. Okay, now that I have that in, I'm going to start off with 2 squirts of contact solution, just to get that started when I start mixing it. So you're just going to start mixing it. And it's going to start getting thicker and a bit harder to mix as you put in more contact solution. Oops. And as you can see, it's getting thicker as I mix. I'm going to put 2 more squirts in here. And I'm going to mix it up, and then it should be good. Okay. So, and then I'd recommend to feel it to make sure it's not too sticky or not too hard. And mine is the perfect consistency. So I'm just gonna get all the extra little bits that got stuck to my container that I mixed in. And you can mix in a container or a bowl, it doesn't really matter. And then we have our slime. Thank you, everybody. Bye.